This is the Olight Baton Ultra, just released now. Powered by a single 18,650 battery, this compact flashlight can deliver up to 1,800 lumens and a beam distance of 300 meters. Much of this impressive performance comes from Olight's self-developed EIP-1 LED emitter. As a product positioned in Olight's Ultra series, it's clear that a lot of thought went into the Baton Ultra's design. Personally, I think it looks great. The body features an aggressive sawtooth-style knurling pattern that provides outstanding grip. Among common flashlight body textures, its anti-slip performance is among the best I've used. The Baton Ultra is also remarkably lightweight and portable. Its body is made from Olight's proprietary aluminum, which offers greater hardness and strength than standard 6061 aluminum. Unless you're a fan of heavily worn, battle-scarred gear, aluminum is definitely worth considering. The flashlight comes equipped with a dual-direction pocket clip. When clipped in a pocket, the head is almost completely concealed, while the exposed section allows for quick and easy retrieval. A small but well-executed design detail. For an 18-650 flashlight focused on durability, runtime, and performance, it's rare to find an LED that balances beam distance, color rendering, and brightness so effectively. Olight's new EIP-1 emitter significantly enhances the Baton Ultra across all key performance metrics. Using the included 18650 battery, the Baton Ultra reaches 1,800 lumens and a 300-meter beam distance, placing it firmly among the top performers in its class. While 1,800 lumens may not seem exceptionally high on paper, its 22,500 candela delivers outstanding real-world performance. Thanks to the combination of a small LED die and a TIR optic, the beam transitions smoothly from hotspot to flood, creating a comfortable and natural viewing experience. Another major advantage is beam quality. Many high-output LEDs tend to produce a noticeable green tint at lower brightness levels, but the EIP-1 maintains excellent color consistency across all output modes. The Baton Ultra can be controlled using either the tactical tail switch or the side switch near the head. The tactical switch supports momentary activation, tactical search mode, a quick press and release for a fixed 600 lumen high mode, and a double click to activate the full 1,800 lumen turbo mode. Operation is simple and intuitive. The forward clicky mechanical tail switch has a crisp, responsive feel without any mushiness. The tail also features a magnetic base for hands-free use. Next to the tail switch is a rotating cover that conceals a USB Type-C charging port. The cover provides smooth resistance while turning and has a satisfying magnetic-like pull as it reaches either end of its travel. In addition, the flashlight supports Olight's signature magnetic charging system, giving users the flexibility of both magnetic and USB-C charging options. The hexagonal side switch handles everyday lighting functions. The interface follows Olight's familiar control scheme: single click for on-off, press and hold to cycle brightness levels, and press and hold from off to access moonlight mode. Continuing to hold activates the lockout function. When using the side switch, the Baton Ultra features smooth ramp-up and ramp-down transitions, allowing your eyes time to adjust to changes in brightness. The user interface is straightforward and easy to learn. Around the switch is a ring-shaped indicator light that lets you quickly check both the current brightness level and remaining battery capacity. Overall, I believe the Olight Baton Ultra is one of the most compelling 18-650 flashlights currently available. Its excellent performance, attractive design, proprietary EIP-1 emitter, and Olight's proven engineering combine to create a flashlight that delivers exceptional value for the price.